Business analytics is an emerging field for management and information technology. Business analytics is indispensable in the new world of digital economy. Without business analytics, a traditional business can hardly progress. So, to know about business analytics, we need to dig deep into the concept and skills related to it. So, the question, what is business analytics and what are the best examples for it? So, let's see how we define. Business analytics is the combination of skill set, trendy technologies, iterative exploration, investigation of past business, gain insight, strategic planning. Specifically, business analytics mainly focuses on prediction based on data and prescription, while business intelligence focuses on description and reporting of data. Business analytics does many things for us. It helps us in modeling and numerical analysis, fact-based management, data-driven management, drive decision-making, drive fully automated decision, querying, reporting, and alert management system. Business analytics answers us many questions, like why something is happening, trend analysis to what will happen next means prediction based on data, and last but not the least, optimization, which means what is best outcome that can happen for a certain event or phenomenon. Best examples for business analytics are behavioral analytics, business competitor analysis, market trend analysis, customer analytics, pricing analytics, real estate analytics, cyber analytics, moreover, enterprise analytics, fraud analytics, risk analytics, healthcare analytics, talent analytics, transportation analytics, financial analytics. Please do like, subscribe and share the video.